Today, Kavya Stuti Verma with us who got selected in All India Sainik School. She has done his preparation from our institution Adiman tutorials. Welcome Kavya and lots of congratulations for your great success in the following examination of All India Sainik School. Can you please tell us how you felt after knowing that you are selected in All India Sainik School?
It is a very proud feeling which can't be expressed by words easily. I want to dedicate this success to my parents and honorable teachers of my coaching institute. Gravity of the emotion is synchronized with the hard work and determination and passion. This selection take me near to my dream of being an commissioned army officer.
Okay, Kavya. Can you share your plannings and strategy of your preparation?
I was so dedicated and passionate to my dream to join Indian Army. I had done research and lead to know about All India Sainik School as a platform to achieve my dreams. For a good teaching, my parents did many efforts for finding a good institute, and then they found Adiman tutorials in Lucknow. They sent me for further preparation for achieving my goal. The teachers discussed and made a strategy for me.
As you have said that you prepared from our institute Adiman tutorials, can you tell us something about your preparatory institute, how they help you in your preparation?
This institute is a place where I could find the vibes of my success because I have never accepted that the things which are happening now with me can happen in real life. This institute can make your dream came true in reality because of the teachers which are so concentrated to every student. In the class, my all doubts are clear in every doubt session. No doubt that this institute can make your dream come true in reality.
Okay. What would you like to say with upcoming aspirants, Kavya?
I would like to say two things. Firstly, have confidence on yourself that you can do it. Second thing, do a much hard work as you can, and that hard work will lead to your success.
Thank you, Kavya, for sharing your experiences with us and all the best for your upcoming future.
Thank you.